Hi all, I'm Sumith from Bangalore. In 2021, my CEO introduced me to Aashwasan as I was going through a health crisis. In my first session with Ravi, my mentor, he described my inner world so accurately that I felt that there was some sophisticated, advanced scan done on me. He was able to describe the chaos that I was having internally. I knew that my health issues were because of the psychological issues that I was going through, and I tried working on it myself by reading a lot of self-help books. But every time I took this journey within, I would see so many things and get more and more confused and more frustrated. What next? I decided to work with Ravi because it felt right. For the first 3 months, Ravi and we worked every week where he would strategize, he would come up with new tools to help me work with my inner chaos. In 3 months, I started noticing difference. And that's when Ravi decided to reduce the frequency of the sessions from weekly to bi weekly. For 3 to 6 months, I was working with him. We went deep inside and we were able to heal so many things. 12 months down the line, I was a new personality. My health improved. Mentally, I was so calm. Emotionally, I was feeling blissful. That's when I decided that I want to continue this association for more. And that's when I decided that I would go ahead and take session every month. In the last 12 months, I've been taking sessions every month. And the amount of self connection, the strong bond between me and my authentic self is just developing and getting stronger and stronger. Emotionally, mentally, I'm getting resilient. And I want to continue this. I want to continue doing this work. For me, I think Ashwasan has helped me find my own self, and I'm very grateful for this. On, it is 18th birthday of Ashwasan, and I wish you a very happy birthday. And I wish that you continue to touch more and more lives and develop more and more acceptance to their authentic self. Only when we start accepting our own selves, that is where I think this world will become a beautiful place. So thank you so much, Ashwasan, and happy birthday to you.